girls, in today's video we're going to be doing an Amazon haul. Do you guys like unboxing videos? Well, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my professional hair dryer that cuts our drying time in half. So if you guys are excited like I am to see this special hair dryer, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. If this is your first time landing on my video, I am Hair Obsessed JC. So you guys, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's get ready for the first thing. So we're going to be opening up the hair dryer. That's the first thing I really wanted to show you guys. And this is the JINRI Paris Professional 1875 watt salon dryer. It says that it's super fast for silky smooth results. And one of the things that it says is that it cuts the drying time into 50%, which is half. And I can't wait to use this dryer. So let's just open it up and see the different parts that come inside of this dryer. So I'm just going to take everything out, rest them on the table, and then we'll just go into the different parts. Okay, as you can see, it has 3 parts that comes with the hair dryer, as well as a manual, the instruction book. It has some of the safety instructions and a list of the different pieces that comes inside of the box. Now, I got this one because it has a diffuser with it, and I'm planning to do some wash and goes on my daughter's hair sometime in the future. And I think this is a good buy because it has all the 3 pieces that I need. This is the pick that it came with. I'm a bit disappointed with the pick because of how small it is, and she has really thick head of hair. It also comes with the concentrator, and that's the typical size that usually comes with a hair dryer. And let's just take the dryer itself out of the package so that we can just examine. Now, before I hit play on this video, what I did was to take it out. Something that I noticed is because my hand had some grease on it, I can literally see my fingerprints on the surface of the hair dryer. Other than that, the hair dryer has a silky, velvety feel, which I believe might be a problem in the future when it comes to the grease sticking onto the surface of the hair dryer. I like it because of the settings as well, the low settings on each side, as well as the cool button that it has. That is something that is super important when you're purchasing your hair dryer. I love the settings as well because it will help reduce the amount of heat that will be applied on the hair. So next up is this package where I have some glasses with blue light that came from Amazon, as well as my essential oil. Okay, I really like this company when it comes to essential oils. Their oils are premium quality, and the essential oil is just rosemary alone in the ingredients, which I love. And I got a lot for the price. Now, let's talk about these blue light glasses. The reason why I have these glasses is because it reduces headaches from staring at the computer screen all day. Now, this only allows me to read. It doesn't allow me to see anything else. So they're not seeing glasses, they are reading glasses specifically for the computer. I got 5 in the package, and I'm just going to show you guys what the different colors look like on me. Comment down below which one of the colors best suits my complexion. The packaging you can see is super ugly. Okay, next up is a package that I received from Walmart, the Black Friday sale, and I specifically got this zip it pencil case for my husband because he has a lot of pens and he's been using a pencil case that I purchased for him over 12 years ago, and he doesn't want to get rid of it. So I got this one, but now that it arrived, I'm not liking it at all. It has these two hard edges there that folds down like so, but the capacity is super awesome. It holds a lot of pens and it also holds your markers. I can even stack some makeup in this. So this is his old pencil case where he has all his drives, and these are all his pens and so forth that he uses. But the zipper for his own has been like this for the last probably 8 years, and he still want to use it. Anyway, as you can see, the capacity of the new one from the Zip It is really big, and it holds a lot. The only thing that I'm not liking is these two hard edges there by the zipper. I'm not sure what's that for. Okay, next up is these 3 lippies that I got from MAC. They are matte lipsticks. These are not new on the market. These are just 3 lipsticks that I always wanted, and I decided to get them. I'm going to show you exactly how each color looks on me. Comment down below which color best suits me. So those are all the products that I had for you guys, and if you like anything at all in this video, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Hashtag Hair Obsessed Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.